सदैव खुश रहो। दिस इज JBN डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। प्रोग्राम MSc फिजिक्स, सेकंड सेमेस्टर। कोर्स इज numerical computation, and session of today is regular falsi method or method at a false position. This is another method for finding the solution of equation or finding the root of equation. Suppose fx is equal to 0, this is a equation, and fa and fb be two opposite signs, and if a less than b, then suppose y is equal to fx meet the x-axis at some point between a fa and b fa. It means point lies in between a fa and b fa. Or in the figure you can see this is two-dimension space. One is x-axis, another is y-axis. Here there is two values a and b, where a less than b, and at the point of a value of function fx will be fa, and at the value of b, value of function is equal to fb. So equation of straight line ab, the equation of straight line is y minus fa upon x minus a is equal to fa minus fb upon a minus b. Or here y is equal to fx is equal to 0. So equate the equation and putting the value of y is equal to 0, we got minus fa upon x minus a is equal to fa minus fb upon a minus b. So after transformation the term and solving this equation for the finding the value of x, and after solution the value of x we found x is equal to afb minus bfa upon fb minus fa. So this formula can be used for iterative purpose. So we start within the value of x1 is equal to afb minus bfa upon fb minus fa. If fx1 into fa less than 0, then b is equal to x1, else a is equal to x1. So we again compute x2 by the same formula. This is a iterative process. After finding the x1, we have to find the x2 by the same formula, or in finding these iterative process we got the required solution. So example, in order to finding the root of the equation by the regular falsi method. So here equation is given x cube minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. We have to find the root with the help of regular falsi method. Here fx is equal to x cube minus 4x plus 1. So f0, when x is equal to 0, then f0 will be positive, and f1 is equal to minus 2, that is negative. So roots lies in between 0 to 1. It is because at the value of 0, when we put the x is equal to 0, it gives positive value, and when we put x is equal to 1, then value will be negative. So roots lies in between these two values. So x1 is equal to afb minus bfa upon fb minus fa. Putting the value of fa and fb in this formula, we get value of x1 is equal to 0.3333. Now putting the x1 in the equation, So fx1 is equal to minus 0.2963 gives the negative value. So we get b is equal to 1 by 3 and x2 is equal to 0 into f 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into f0 upon f 1 by 3 minus f0. So putting these value into the x2, we got the value after solving these terms 0.2571. So 0.2571 again treat the value of x2 and putting this value, and we get the next value x3. So putting these value and x3 will be 0.25402, and similar iteration we have done or finding the fx3 is the negative. So we set b is equal to 0.25420, and in the same way we have to calculate x4 by the putting the value of each in the formula. We get x4 is equal to 0.25410. So this is the value of x4. Now fx4, when we putting the value of x4 in the equation given, so after finding the solution value of fx4 is equal to negative value, and that is minus 0.0000129. This is the value of function at the point x4. So we set b is equal to 0.25401. Here f a is treated as 0.25410 and fb is treated as 0.25410. So putting these value in the formula of that is x5, it is because it is the next iteration after the x4, and value of x5 will be 0.f into 0.25410 minus 0.25410 into f0 upon f 0.25410 minus f0 is equal to 0.25410. Now next value at the point x4 calculated value, and at the point x5 the calculated value both are same. Then we can say it is the final iteration or it is the value of root by the approximation. So approximation is done in the 5 steps. Now next example, find an approximate root of x log 10x minus 1.2 is equal to 0. This is the transcendental equation. It is because if any equation consisting logarithm function, trigonometric function, exponential function, then such type of equation is called the transcendental function. So we have to find the root of transcendental function with the help of Regula-Falsi method. So in this case f2 is equal to negative, putting 2 in the equation and find the value of 2, that will be minus 0.59794. In order to finding the value of log 2, you have to look into the logarithm table, and in the logarithm table value of 2 is equal to 30103. So putting this value in the equation and we get some negative consequence, that is minus 0.59794, and f3 whenever we put the value 3 in the equation we got a positive value. So root lies in between 2 and 3, that is f2 is negative and f3 is positive. So by the formula of Regula-Falsi method, here all condition is satisfied. It is because f2 is negative or f3 is positive, so fa into fb less than 0, that is negative. So formula of x1 will be 2f3 minus 3f2 upon f3 minus f2. So putting the value of f3 and f2 in this equation, and we get, after solving this, fx1 is equal to after solving this value we get 2.721014, and putting this value in the function fx1 will be we got negative value. So we set a is equal to 2.721014. At this point function gives negative value, and next one function give the positive value, so it is lies in between this and this. So x2 is equal to 2.721014 into f3 minus 3 into f2.721014 upon f3 minus f2.721014. After solving the equation, after solving this expression, we get value of x2 is equal to 2.740211, and putting this value in the fx2, again we got negative value, that is minus 0.00038905. So we set a is equal to 2.740211. This is the value of a, or treated as a. And as a b treated another value, again next iteration x3. So putting this value in the formula, x3 is equal to 2.740211 f3 minus 3 into f 2.740211 upon f3 minus f 2.740211 is equal to 2.740627. So this is the value of x3. Now we have to find fx3. So putting the value of x3 in the function and fx3, after calculating we get the value of fx3 is 0.000119998. This is positive value. So b as 2.740627. This is the value of b. It is because it is positive. So previous one, that is negative, treated as a. Another iteration x4 is equal to 2.740211 f 2.740627 minus 2.740627 into f 2.740211 upon f 2.740627 minus f 2.740211, and after multiplying and subtracting, then dividing, we get value of x4 is equal to 2.7405. This is the value of x4. So we next for next iteration we have to compare the value of x3 and x4. In this case x3 is 2.740627 and value of x4 is equal to 2.7405. So these two value is near about to same. Hence the process is near about to end. It is because two values which is found by the iteration are same. Whenever we got the same value for the further iteration, and after getting same value the process is end, or the value is the solution of that particular equation, and here the final value is x4, that is 2.7405 is the root of this given equation. So I hope you all are satisfied with this lecture. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.